How to change the sleep settings on your MacBook Neo. Let's get started. There's two places where you can check this. You're going to tap on the Apple logo on the left corner of the screen and then select System Settings. The first place you can check is by clicking on Battery, going all the way down in this right side menu and select Option. The first sleeping option is the second one. Prevent automatic sleeping on power adapter when the display is off. So if you enable this and the computer is connected to a power adapter, it's currently charging, even if the display goes black, it will never put the computer to sleep. So if you're downloading something or whatever it's doing in the background, well, that thing will not stop. The computer will stay on even with the display turned off as long as you're connected to power. The second option over here, wake for network access, just like they explaining here, where while sleeping, your Mac can receive incoming network traffic, such as iMessage and other iCloud updates, and other things. If you want this, well, you can select if you want always to be the case. So even when the Mac is on its battery powered, it will be able to receive updates, your iMessage, even if, again, it's sleeping, or power adapter, or never. If you want the Mac to completely shut down and it won't be able, again, to do whatever it says here. The second place I want to show you is, well, if we go a bit down, you're going to select lock screen. And now you have more options over here. The first option is when the computer is on its battery power. So turn a display off on battery when inactive for, and by default it's 2 minutes, but yeah, you can set it the way you want. The second option is the same thing, but when the computer is connected to a power adapter. How much time until the screen goes black. And here you have other settings that you can change. Finally, you have require password after screen saver being or display is turned off. So after the display turns black, how much time until the computer will ask you for the password if you want to use it again? So by default, it's 5 minutes, but you can choose another option. So once you have selected this, it will be automatically applied. You don't have to save anything. And the next time your screen goes black, well, it will take 5 minutes, 15 minutes, an hour, whatever you have chose there until it locks you out. Thanks for watching. Comment down below, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.